Dalai Lama. Faith is not blind belief. It's the courage to trust in the goodness of humanity and the universe. Have you ever wondered what makes some communities thrive while others struggle to connect? This question often leads us down unexpected paths as we seek answers that touch the very essence of human existence. Picture this: a world where every individual feels a deep sense of belonging, where differences dissolve and unity reigns supreme. It's a vision many dream of, but achieving it requires more than just wishful thinking. Welcome to our exploration of faith's profound impact on community and connection. In this journey, we'll delve into the transformative power of faith, unraveling its ability to bridge divides, nurture bonds, and create spaces where every voice is heard and valued. Every thriving community's heart lies the intricate tapestry of relationships woven together by trust, empathy, and shared experiences. Yet, what ignites the spark that binds these threads into a vibrant, cohesive whole? The answer, we'll discover, lies in the unwavering power of faith. Faith isn't just about religious beliefs. It's a force that transcends boundaries, infusing communities with hope, resilience, and a profound sense of purpose. Join us as we uncover the role of faith in shaping the fabric of community life and unlocking the true potential of human connection. In the tapestry of community and connection, faith emerges as a guiding light, transcending the boundaries of religion to embody trust, hope, and belief in something greater. It's the profound conviction that binds individuals together, shaping their actions and shaping the very dynamics of their communities. Beyond mere religious affiliation, faith becomes a unifying force, fostering a shared sense of purpose and belonging. Belief is the cornerstone upon which communities are built, shaping not only individual actions, but also a group's collective consciousness. Shared beliefs serve as the glue that binds people together, forging bonds of solidarity and mutual understanding. Whether it's a belief in justice, compassion, or the inherent goodness of humanity, faith can unite individuals in pursuit of a common vision. At the heart of every thriving community lies a foundation of faith, providing a sense of direction and purpose that guides collective action. Faith-based organizations and initiatives play a pivotal role in nurturing the growth and development of communities, offering support, resources, and a platform for meaningful engagement. Through acts of service and compassion, these organizations embody the principles of faith, inspiring others to join in the journey of community building. In embracing faith, interpersonal connections flourish, deepening bonds of friendship and solidarity within communities. Through acts of kindness, empathy, and support, individuals find a sense of belonging that transcends social divides and cultural differences. Faith creates a safe and nurturing environment where every voice is heard and valued, fostering a sense of connection that enriches the fabric of community life. In the mosaic of humanity, faith serves as a bridge that spans the divides of culture, ideology, and social status. It fosters understanding, empathy, and reconciliation, bringing people together in celebration of their shared humanity. Through dialogue and mutual respect, communities find strength in diversity, embracing the richness of perspectives and experiences each individual brings. Faith empowers individuals to realize their full potential, instilling confidence, courage, and a sense of purpose in their lives. It motivates people to contribute positively to their communities, inspiring acts of kindness, generosity, and service. Through the lens of faith, every challenge becomes an opportunity for growth, and every setback is a chance to learn and evolve. In the tapestry of community life, unity emerges as a guiding principle, fueled by the collective spirit of faith. It promotes cooperation, collaboration, and mutual support among community members, fostering a sense of inclusivity and belonging for all. Through shared values and aspirations, communities find strength in unity, transcending individual differences to achieve common goals. Within the embrace of faith-based communities, individuals find sanctuary, solace, and support in times of need. These communities provide safe spaces where empathy, compassion, and acceptance are the cornerstones of collective well-being. Through acts of kindness and generosity, they create a culture of care and concern that extends beyond their borders, enriching the lives of all who come into contact with them. Faith-driven initiatives are catalysts for positive social change, mobilizing communities to address pressing issues and advocate for justice and equality. They embody the principles of compassion, solidarity, and empowerment, inspiring others to join in the fight for a better world. Through acts of courage and resilience, these initiatives challenge the status quo and pave the way for a more just and equitable society. Faith nurtures personal and collective growth within communities, providing guidance, support, and spiritual nourishment to individuals on their journey of self-discovery. It fosters a culture of mentorship, education, and lifelong learning, empowering community members to reach their full potential. Through the sharing of wisdom and experience, faith-based communities cultivate a spirit of growth and transformation that uplifts all who are touched by their presence. In the nurturing embrace of faith, communities find strength, resilience, and a sense of purpose that transcends individual struggles and challenges. Faith fosters holistic well-being, addressing not only the physical and emotional needs of individuals, but also their spiritual and existential concerns. Through supportive networks and resources, faith-based communities create a culture of care and compassion that promotes healing and wholeness for all. Diversity is celebrated within faith-based communities, where inclusivity and tolerance are cherished as core values. These communities embrace the richness of human experience, honoring the unique perspectives and identities of each individual. Through dialogue and mutual respect, they create spaces where differences are not only accepted but celebrated, enriching the tapestry of community life with a vibrant array of colors and textures. Faith provides a source of strength and resilience for communities facing adversity and challenges. It instills hope, courage, and perseverance in the face of adversity, empowering individuals to overcome obstacles and emerge stronger than ever. Through acts of solidarity and support, faith-based communities weather the storms of life together, finding strength in their shared values and beliefs. The contributions and achievements of faith-based communities are celebrated as testaments to the power of faith to transform lives and communities. From grassroots initiatives to large-scale movements, these communities make a tangible difference in the world, inspiring hope and optimism for the future. Through acts of kindness, compassion, and service, they leave a lasting legacy of love and goodwill that reverberates far beyond their immediate surroundings. Collaboration and cooperation are essential values within faith-based communities, where collective action is seen as a powerful force for positive change. These communities work together with other stakeholders to address shared challenges and pursue common goals, leveraging their resources and expertise for the greater good. Through partnerships and alliances, they amplify their impact and create lasting change in the world. Faith-based communities invest in the future by empowering youth and children to become compassionate, engaged, and responsible citizens. They provide opportunities for education, mentorship, and spiritual growth, nurturing the next generation of leaders and changemakers. Through programs and initiatives tailored to the needs of young people, these communities inspire hope and optimism for the future, ensuring that their legacy of faith and service continues for generations to come. The momentum of community-building efforts, fueled by faith, is sustained through ongoing engagement, reflection, and adaptation. These communities remain vigilant in their commitment to their values and principles, continually seeking new ways to innovate and improve. Through open dialogue and feedback, they ensure that their initiatives remain relevant and responsive to the evolving needs of their members and the broader community. Throughout our exploration, we've witnessed the profound impact of faith on community and connection. From building bridges across divides to nurturing growth and resilience, faith is a guiding light that illuminates the path toward a more inclusive and compassionate society. As we reflect on the stories and insights shared, let us be inspired to embrace the power of faith in our own lives and communities. Let us strive to cultivate unity, promote well-being, and celebrate diversity, knowing that together we can create a world where everyone feels valued, supported, and empowered. We encourage you to continue this journey of discovery and exploration, to delve deeper into the role of faith in shaping your own communities and connections. Like this video if you found it insightful, and remember to subscribe to our channel for more thought-provoking content on faith, community, and the human experience. Together, let's continue to seek understanding, foster compassion, and build a brighter future for all.